Right, determine the inverse. The inverse of the following function. I think that's a misprint. I think it should just be we're looking for one inverse of one function. So, first step, step 1, is we want to change f of x. We want to change f of x to y. So we just write down y equals 1 over 5 outside of 3x minus 2. Next thing we do is we're going to swap the y's and the x's. Right, so everywhere there's a y, we write in an x. And everywhere there was an x, we write in a y. So that's it done there. And then our next task is we're going to solve this for y. Solve this for y, which means we want y on its own. So this is 3y minus 2 here. So to solve this for y, first of all I'm going to multiply both sides by 5, right? Do that with red ink. So I'll multiply the right by 5. So that's the same as multiplying by 5 over 1. And I'm going to multiply the left by 5, or 5 over 1. And what happens then, on the right hand side, the 5's will cancel. And we'll be left on the left hand side with 5 times x equals 3y minus 2. And now we're going to try and just get 3y on its own here. So what we'll do is we'll add 2 to both sides, right? Plus 2 here onto this 5x. We don't really need that plus in the front there. So that pans out like 5x plus 2 equals 3y. And now, remember we want y on its own, so I'll divide both sides by 3. Divide all across here by 3. So that gives us that 3's will cancel here. So y equals that stuff there. So I can just write the y here on the left. Y equals 5x plus 2 over 3. And that's it, solved for y. So I think that's about it. I'm a bit rusty on these things, but anyway, yeah, this here is our inverse function. And there might be another step. Well, I'm not sure. I think that's the most of it there anyway.